We're now in Nusa Penida. So it's a 15-minute speedboat from Nusa Lembongan, and we're just going for a walk. We just popped to the pharmacy and now we're going to get some food. We've got Silence Day tomorrow, which I'll tell you a bit about later. So we need to get some food for that because basically you're not allowed out on that day. But where we've had to walk to get here, it's literally like for a jungle. And it's so hot and humid as well. We've got a burrito and Aaron's got some quesadillas. This is what the place looks like. And we've got a little doggo down here. This is us walking back from getting our goods from the shop and lunch. So this is our little walk back. We've got some kind of cows over there. I don't know if you can see in there. But there you go, that's a bit better. So we've come to a beach club on Nusa Penida. This is what it looks like. We've got the pool area. And then we're on one of these beds. Just chilling. We're just on our ferry now from Nusa Penida back to Bali. These ones are just sleeping, so these are, I think she said about three days old, these ones. So cute. This is the oldest one, and it's 50 years old. These are some turtle eggs. And these ones here are all in rehab, but they're well enough basically. They've just got to be cleared by the doctor. So this one, you can't actually see how big it is. No, that's no point. But it's 50 years old. And obviously you can see it's been amputated. And she was saying that some of them come from the black market because, especially in Indonesia, they do these ceremonies where they sacrifice the turtle at the end. And they also use them for jewellery, like for their shells to make earrings and everything, so they come here. And then these ones are in rehabilitation too, but they're just not well. So they're not been cleared yet, but this is why they're just kind of not moving, because they're not very well. This one you can see, oh you can't, he's got an amputation there as well, and this one's 40 and he's got cancer, but they can't amputate this one because then he won't be able to swim. And this one, he got stuck, they think, in a motor of a boat, so that it broke half of his shell and they had to cut the other half to make him symmetrical.
That's making me even.
Yeah. This one's got some, I think it's like bubble gas or something. They said it's a condition basically where he's got air either in his lungs or his stomach, so he just floats, he can't dive for water. So obviously he wouldn't be able to feed himself, that's why he's here. When they consume plastic bags, it either suffocates them or it's in their stomach and it makes them feel full, so they don't eat anymore and then they starve. So this is a room tour of the place that Aaron booked for my birthday. So this is our bath, and it had flowers in it and it was all like nicely arranged, but it's been in there for a while now. And then you've got this little kind of bit that goes outside. And then as you come in, you've got the kind of kitchen area, sofa and TV. And then this is our little outdoor area. So we've got private pool and sun lounges. And then these are the stairs. So they're a bit dodgy. And this is the bed. So it's just a bed up here. And then these blinds are electric as well. So yeah. This is our pool area. Actually got some blue skies today. Is it cold?
Yeah.
Nicely cold or not?
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
This is our floating breakfast. We've got pancakes and Aaron's got French toast. So we're just gonna chill in the pool now and eat this. Aaron did a little surprise for me with this. This is our breakfast they've brought us. So I've got an eggs benedict, papaya juice, and Aaron's got scrambled egg, bacon, and an orange juice.
And toast.
And toast. We've just had our free afternoon tea delivered. So we've got lemongrass and ginger tea. This is a Balinese pancake. I think it's got banana in. And then I guess this is just sugar.
Dangerous in there. Oh.
So we've done the sunrise hike this morning. We got picked up at 2:30 and then drove about an hour here. Aaron managed to walk up it all. I walked a bit and then I had to pay extra to get a dirt bike to drive me up the mountain. And then we're just watching the sunrise now. And we've just got some breakfast. We've got banana sandwiches, some fruit and some boiled eggs.
That's like a really strong espresso.
So it's Friday today, and today we're doing ring making, and we're also moving room today in the same hotel because last night we've had this animal on our roof, and it literally sounded like it was going to come through our ceiling last night. It was so loud. We literally had to get up and leave the room at like midnight, and we were just standing outside because like it just didn't sound safe. It was weird. But we've had to stay in here last night and it was okay in the end, but we're gonna move to a different room for the next 2 nights. So yeah, tomorrow's our last full day in Bali. We haven't got anything planned yet, but just gonna do ring making today and go from there. This is Aaron's ring he made, and it says Bali 25 in it. And then this is my ring, and it says the same. There's a little baby bird here. Look. So tiny. We've come to a place called This Is Bali, and you pick what rice you want, and then we have all these stamps of all the toppings, and then you put kind of what you want and you make your own bowl. This is mine, so I've got cauliflower rice, potato patties, caramel beef, honey chicken, lemony spinach and beef rendang. And then this is Aaron's. Do you want to say what you've got?
The potato things, chicken skewers, I forgot what that was, some sort of corn, chicken curry, crispy chicken and beef rendang.
Our last dinner in Bali. I've got barbecue chicken noodles, and Aaron's got a tandoori chicken skewer thing.